Hello guys, welcome back to Ton of Things. But for today's video, here are going to show you or discuss with you how to make my WhatsApp link device as primary. So, if you're looking for a way to make your or a device here as your primary linked device, well, there are a few things here that we need to understand and we need to know. Now, we all know that linking devices into your WhatsApp account is a way for you to access your messages across multiple devices. Maybe you have like multiple phones and you want to have one WhatsApp account for those two phones. Well, you can just link an account here or link that device into your account by going to the link device section and just clicking on link a device and just following the following steps. Now, the thing that we need to understand here with linking devices in a WhatsApp account here is there's no limitation. So you can link a device or like a phone, another phone, or another desktop or another computer into your account here. But the thing with this one is if you already have like multiple devices linked into your account here, the thing with this one is there's no such thing as a primary link device in WhatsApp. Now it's pretty much the same thing with across every devices. So that's the thing on how WhatsApp works here. So if you're going to ask if it's possible for you to make linked primary linked devices, well, it's not possible. It's pretty much the same thing across all the accounts here. So that's why it you don't have that option here. But you do have the option to link multiple devices here. You could also remove or unlink them in here, by the way, if you're not aware yet. But that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to NF Inspo. Thank you for watching.